In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort emails by sender in Microsoft Outlook. This is a simple way to organize your inbox so you can quickly find messages from a specific person or company, and it works in just a few clicks. First, open Outlook and go to the folder you want to sort. This could be your inbox, sent items, or any other mail folder you use regularly. Keep in mind that sorting by sender is most useful in folders with incoming mail, like the inbox, because the From column there lists the people who sent you messages. In folders like Sent Items, the From field may show your own address, since you're the sender of those messages. In the message list, look toward the top where you see column headers such as From, Subject, and Received. The From header is what we'll use. In most standard views, it's visible right above your emails. Click the From column header once to sort alphabetically from A to Z. That means senders whose names start with A will appear at the top, and it continues down the alphabet. Click the From header again to reverse the order and sort from Z to A. This toggle is